Welcome back to AB Car Reviews. Today, we're checking out the brand new 2026 Toyota Fortuner, a full-size SUV that continues to dominate the Indian and Southeast Asian markets with its bold styling, solid performance, and Toyota's legendary reliability. Let's dive right into what's new in the latest Fortuner and whether it's worth your attention. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Fortuner gets a sharper, more aggressive front fascia. The new grille design is more prominent and sits flanked by sleeker full LED headlamps with integrated DRLs. Toyota has also revised the bumper with bolder lines and added more chrome in the higher trims, giving it a more premium appeal. The side profile remains muscular, with new alloy wheel designs, 18 or 20 inches depending on the variant. The rear sees updated LED taillamps, a subtle roof spoiler, and a more sculpted tailgate. Overall, the Fortuner maintains its commanding road presence while evolving to look more futuristic and dynamic. Moving inside, Toyota has taken a big step forward in the 2026 model. The dashboard layout feels cleaner and more modern. You now get a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a fully digital instrument cluster, and an upgraded JBL sound system in top trims. The cabin uses more soft-touch materials, giving it a more luxurious feel. Dual-zone climate control, powered front seats, ambient lighting, and wireless charging come standard in higher variants. The second row is spacious, though the third row remains best suited for kids or shorter journeys. Practicality is still a strong point with ample storage and a flat luggage area when the third row is folded. Under the hood, the Fortuner continues to offer a 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine producing around 204 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. There's also a petrol variant in select markets with a 2.7-liter engine, but the diesel remains the favorite for its torque and efficiency. The 2026 Fortuner now comes with mild hybrid technology in some trims, helping improve fuel economy slightly and reducing emissions. It remains a body-on-frame SUV, so off-roading is still very much in its DNA. With selectable 4x4 modes, hill descent control, and excellent ground clearance, it handles rough terrain with ease, while highway cruising feels more refined thanks to better suspension tuning. Toyota has also enhanced the safety package. Now, the Fortuner comes with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. This makes it not just a rugged SUV, but also a family-friendly one. Now let's talk price. The 2026 Toyota Fortuner starts at around 35 lakh rupees ex-showroom in India for the base 4x2 petrol and goes up to 52 lakh rupees for the top-spec Legender or GRS variant with 4x4. While that's not cheap, you're paying for proven reliability, a premium cabin, and a go-anywhere attitude. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Toyota Fortuner. Let me know in the comments if this new model is a hit or miss for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AB Car Reviews for more honest car content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.